Hello, this is Brother Barnes. I'm going to remember to say this the first thing. Your final exam is on site. You come to the school and you take a proctored exam at the school. I will add this video to this slot once I get it done. Remember that your final exam in Principles of Biology 2 online is 100 questions. It comes from labs 7 through 12. There is a 60-minute time limit. Any cheating will result in a grade of 0. You may not use any reference material on the exam. You can review McGraw-Hill virtual labs, quizzes, and take the practice exam as many times as you want. No notes, no books, or other outside resources are allowed. You must have a valid student ID or driver's license. Be on time, please. Click on the link of the course homepage to register for the final exam. I'm proud of you. Maybe I'll see you again either online or face to face. Later, mates.